Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Google Chrome high disk usage. So how can you know that Google Chrome is in a high disk usage? So if you're going to open Google Chrome and then if you're going to search for an info, let's say for example this one, and if you open a lot of tabs like that, the first tab, and if you open another tab or watch videos from YouTube, click on it. And now let's see. Let's bring up the task manager of our Windows. Click on it. Now here we need to search for Chrome. And as you can see, this is how you can know that Google Chrome is taking up high disk usage. From here, it will also show you the CPU usage, the memory usage, and the disk usage. So if this is a lot or more in your case, then what can we do? So I just opened two tabs, but as you can see, there are 44 tabs here in the task manager. Now on how we can fix this, let's go quick into the process. Click on this three dots at the top right corner of Google Chrome, and then simply scroll down in the list of options and you'll find more tools. Click on Task Manager. So yes, Google Chrome has its own task manager, and this is also like our Windows wherein we can end a task or end the process of a task right here. So let's say for example, so there are a lot of tasks right here. Now here is one thing that you need to remember: do not and the task of these blue icons right here at the top, like the spare renderer, utility video capture, data decoder service, audio service, data decoder service, storage service, network service, and the GPU process, because these are important for your Google Chrome to function well. So what you can do, there are a lot of tabs and subframes right here. So simply click on that and select End Process, especially if this is unimportant. Click on that and then select End Process. Click on that, select End Process. End process. So you have to end the process of the task, which are taking much CPU usage, memory footprint, and the network, but do not end the process of this task right here, because again these are important for your Windows, or I mean for your Google Chrome to function well. Now once done, close this, then just simply reload the page. Then we also need to delete the browsing data, the cookies and cache of the the Google Chrome browser. So you have to click on these three dots and then simply scroll down and click on Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on the Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. Then under Privacy and Security, you'll find Delete Browsing Data, Delete History, Cookies, Cache, and more. Click on that. Now you have two options on how you are going to delete the browsing data. It could be basic or the advanced, so we have to go to the advanced. Time range, change this to all time. Browsing history, check that. Download history, check that. Cookies and other site data, check that. Cached images and files, check that. Site settings, check that. Hosted app data, check that. But do not check passwords and other sign-in data and the autofill form data. Then you have to click on delete data. Then still in the options on the left pane, you have to click on extensions. We also need to remove unnecessary and unused extensions. So if you have a lot of extensions on your Google Chrome and you are rarely using this, or you will just use this once in a while but not daily, then you can just simply disable that. Or if you're not using this totally, then you can just simply remove that extension, especially the faulty extensions. Then again, click on these three dots at the top right corner and then click on help, the one with the question mark symbol, and click on about Google Chrome. We also need to make sure that our Google Chrome is up to date. So once you click on about Chrome, that will automatically update the Google Chrome browser. So once done, just simply close this. And in the task manager, if I again open Google Chrome, minimize this. Now this has only 8 tabs now, and the disk usage has been decreased, and also the CPU and the memory usage. So that's it. That's how you can fix it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.